The Arthrocare Coblator 2 system is designed to power the Arthrocare family of Coblation wands. This video provides instructions for proper setup of the Coblator 2 unit and associated tonsil wands. For tonsillectomy procedures, proper setup will include saline, the flow control valve, a tonsil wand, the Coblator 2 unit, and the foot pedal. Start by plugging the power cord into the appropriate receptacle on the back of the Coblator 2 unit. Note that the tone volume can be adjusted on the back of the unit by adjusting the volume dial. Turn the unit on. The display should read 00. Next, attach the flow control valve to the IV pole and insert the valve power cord into the receptacles on the back of the valve and the front of the Coblator 2 unit. Hang the saline bag so that it is positioned at least 3 feet above the patient's head to ensure consistent saline flow. Next, connect the foot pedal to the unit by aligning the red dots on the cable and the unit, then inserting the cable into the receptacle. You are now ready to connect the wand to the Coblator 2 unit. Start by opening the wand packaging. Wand components include the wand, power cord, saline line, and suction attachment. First, plug the wand into the Coblator 2 unit by aligning the arrows on the cord and the unit, then inserting the plug. The display should read 7 and 3 when a tonsil wand is plugged in. Then connect the suction attachment to the suction line. Ensure the suction line is dedicated only to the wand. Suction should be between 250 to 300 millimeters of mercury for optimum wand performance. Ensure that the roller clamp is fully closed prior to spiking the bag. Next, spike the saline bag with the saline line. To insert the saline line through the flow control valve, first open the valve by depressing the switch in an up position. The green light should illuminate. Next, insert the saline line into the open valve using a flossing up and down motion, taking care to ensure it is fully seated within the channel. Then, open the roller clamp and depress the flow control switch back to down to close the valve and pinch the line. Next, adjust the saline so that it flows evenly over the active electrode at the tip of the wand. The surgeon should depress the Coblate pedal during saline adjustment to allow the saline to flow. The wand is now ready for use. If suction should slow or the wand become clogged during the course of the procedure, the surgeon should first brush the wand gently back and forth on a blue towel. If the wand remains clogged, dip the wand into a basin of saline and depress the Coblate pedal. To address any remaining clogs, the wand can be backflushed by connecting a 20 cc syringe to the suction line and alternately pushing and pulling saline through the wand while depressing the Coblate pedal.